Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account private. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Facebook app. Then you want to head to your own profile by clicking on the lower right corner. Then you want to head and click on the gear icon on the top right corner as well. What you're going to do over here is you want to click on privacy checkup. When you click on privacy checkup, what you want to focus on all these options is the option number one, which is who can see what you share. When you click on this, you will be able to continue and to review the information such as the profile information, the bio, the post, the stories, the audience, the tagging. All this could individually, manually be changed, meaning you can manually change the public, the private views and availability for your profile info. Let's click on it. If you can see over here, we can actually change the email. Who can see your email? Only you, your friends, friends of friends, or public. Who can see your birthday? Who can see your relationship? Who can see your current city, your education? So all this over here could be manually changed. This is how you can turn your Facebook from being completely public, which is probably in favor of Facebook, set as a default function. Usually in some cases are different, but this is what you want to go. You want to come over here and you want to review the information. You want to make sure that you're sharing only amount of information that you're comfortable with. Remember, the sensitivity of information is the most important to keep your account not only safe but secure as well. And this is how you can make your Facebook account private. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.